Girl, oh, come in and come at school today, girl. Oh, you're not come at school today. But some of the school all day, me a texting and I answer me, some couldn't wait till me reach home, girl. Me have swear if you give me all my update. But some couldn't wait for come home, girl. Me can tell you everything. Me not left out nothing. Me not business all you want to say. Me not leaving out anything. Me I tell you everything, right? From girl wake up till the day done. So brace yourself. Me say, girl, the day go on with itself. It go on with itself. So me get up early as usual and me just get up and me open up the window them car. You know, you're there with me already. You see how me flex. You know, me can't take it from the same. So me open the window and me and say, all right, make your place go and breeze out car. You know, Ray. Anyway, I'm going to show with the people out of the chimney and thing. And me not I don't talk nothing, friend, because you know when you're there. At first bush, me see me dash that. So anyways, me get up and me say, all right, me go do, you know, me put on some tea, because you know grandma want to catch up her stomach and them something there and Ray. And then after that now, me go take out my clothes them and, you know, me did wash my uniform from last night and me go iron my clothes and so on. Me say, all right, me want to reach at school early. So me go bed. Can water run her back and you know me did have extra water in the kettle so me throw some more water in a the my red pan or something and me say me now be no cold water because early morning cold. Anyway, by the time me done being now and me say alright me ready and me go to school and Ray and me check with purse and me say shit me not really have no money. So me say alright me go check grandma. Grandma check her purse and grandma say, Jaja, she not have no money neither. And I say, Jaja, what me I go do? So I say, all right, me go call Richie because one thing with me now, you can't pretty and done, you know, so me have to bright. And me done pretty already, so me have to bright. So I say, me go call Richie and me go to the door and me sit down and me do my dialing number and thing. And me never really, me never want to beg him still, you know, because you know me a girl no big man things. You know me not figure them and me I tell him up front, say, look here, me not figure you. You understand? So anyway, me say, me want to go to school, so beg him a little money and him say, all right. So I walk out the road and thing and wait for the man come. Me say, girl, when the man come, the man a hold on for the money. He hold on for the money like he don't want let it go. Me say, what the hell this? Anyway, him give me some US and thing and when the man ready to drive off, it's like him a push out his hand through the car window like he want touch off of me. And me say, Father God, you have to get me out of that situation because me not like cranny man. Anyways, the bus come same time and me I say, boy, me happy say the bus come because me really want to go to school and me never want to go to school yet. So bus full up and everything and me have to sit down in a Julie's lap. Then they start play some music and thing and me there go and bounce and me enjoy myself. Yo mama, you have to come off my phone now. Remember say you soon gone home and my time soon finish. Girl, how that in your background? A man you there there? A man you there girl and you not come to school today? Look how naughty worthless girl. A man you there? No, girl. Me not know, man. Yeah, I'm gonna call you back later, though, because I'm busy right now. So later, I'm call you back here. Yeah, dirty girl. You a dirty girl. Me not have nothing else to say to you. Me think me and your friend. Me think me and your giant pack and we say, yo, no, man, to we think, girl, because we don't want to breathe in a school. Me not like your sister, girl. I eat this. Don't chat to me when you come to school, whenever you come to school. Whenever you stop tech.